Hey, hello everyone, what's up? How you guys doing? How's life? How are you? Welcome to the stream. What we're gonna do right now is we're gonna be contributing to the stock front-end repo. So this is the PR which I created, and this repository belongs to one of my friend. His name is Shivam Saurabh Jha. Amazing developer. He is a Golang developer. Like mostly he codes in Golang, and so there's a company he works. The name of that company is Kiploy, and I don't know, is my live stream working or not? So I'll explain you what and what this Hacktoberfest is and something like that. But let me check, is my live stream working properly or not, and then we'll contribute to this repo. We'll add and subtract few things, and we'll have fun. So let's see. I don't know, it for some reason it's written chat is disabled for my live stream, which shouldn't be the case. It shouldn't be the case. If you guys would like to contribute, definitely you guys could. Let's do some open source. There you go. How you guys doing? Is chat disabled? I don't know. It shouldn't be disabled. Why is chat disabled? Let me figure out how to enable chat on YouTube. Okay, how to enable chat on live stream YouTube, and why is it turned off? That's kind of okay. So there's no live chat thing coming up, and we're gonna do this, but let me first live chat. Oh, got it. Oh. I'll have to restart the stream. So the problem is, save. Now I can enable the chat, I guess. Yes. So I made the stream for children, and that basically made the chat disabled, I guess. I think chat should be enabled now. So let me check. Why these things happen on the stream? I don't know. The chat, yes, the chat should be enabled now. You guys could write something if you guys like, just refresh here and random work. What's up? So yes, so what we're gonna do is, this is the PR. So previously, before this, basically there was a post made by Shivam. So that was like, the UI of this was not very great. So I thought, let's fix it, and it was Sunday as well, so I just try to fix it. Like, this is the new UI which I made, and here are a few of the things which he. So first of all, there's some conflict with the main branch which we'll be fixing, and we have this, like this, the logo, and we have a few conflicts. So let's try to do it. Yeah, let's try to do it. So what, just we'll open terminal, and we'll go to projects, right? And let's go to, I don't know, stock front end, right? And let's quickly open Z, the editor in which I code, and let's start the project. I think Yan Z is something. Okay, let's code on VS Code only. Okay, so this is VS Code, and this is the very simple project. So what we're gonna do now is we're gonna start this up. Can I see my chat? Yes, I can see. Mic some issue, and the camera is laggy too. Oh, camera is laggy now. Oh, my stupid internet has some issues always. Yeah, so what we're gonna do? Can you suggest any repo to contribute for full stack? I'll do that, bro. Let me. Yeah, it should be fine now, I guess. Yeah, so I'll suggest few repos. I think one you can do is, you can participate in Hacktoberfest and you can contribute to the same repo which I'm contributing right now. So yeah, you could you could technically contribute to this. Okay, so let's quickly start coding this, and let's start the development server. We already have started the development server, so I'll just show you what this is, right? So you can upload your mutual fund reports over here, and then it will analyze them in the backend, and it will give rating to everything, and you can, you can do all of those things. So if I go to projects, if I just select that file, that Excel file which has the report, my internet speed is like just going down and up and down, insane, no stability. You need the repo link? Sure. Shivam, GitHub. What is the repo link? .com. No. Let's go to my profile. Let's go to repositories, and this is the one which I forked, and this is the original one. So wait. What am I doing? I don't know. This is the repo, bro. This is the front end repo, and you can do the back end as well. I think I should change my internet. Hold on. I'll just switch to my mobile internet, and it's going to be fine, bro. This Airtel Wi-Fi is insane. I just don't like it. Just turn off, and then I'll just switch to my mobile. Yes. So now my internet should be stable, and we should be good. So this is the product. This is what we basically are building. So you will be getting once you select, you will be getting a report of all these stocks, and you can kind of like do all those kind of stuff, all these kind of stuff. The first thing what we'll do is we'll just merge it with the main. So that's the first thing. We are going to Google, or there's some Google stuff which we have to integrate. Instead of stock sprint, so the first thing what we have to do is we have to rename the application to stock, like the new suggestion which I got from, no, not this one, stock site. So we're gonna be doing this, and it's fine, right? So yeah, so the first thing is done. So we have the name done. Next is there are a few conflicts. Please resolve the rest. Everything is good. Okay, what are the conflicts? Let's see. So we're gonna solve the conflicts. Let's see. So this is how you solve the conflicts. So what we have to do is we have to basically rebase, but rebasing will create like a lot of issues. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna see what is the file. So like what change in this file, and what is the SLA and all those things. So I don't know. Should we even rebase? Git rebase. Check stream from your phone. You'll see mic difference. It is not clear. It should be. Wait, what? How is this possible, bro? I mean, this is one of the best microphones, and you're not getting. Let me check on my phone. Is it actually that bad? So I have changed my home, right? So this is my new home, and the Wi-Fi router is like a little bit far away, right? And it's super unstable. Hello. So I have changed my home, right? So this is my new home, and the Wi-Fi router is like a little bit far away. It's okay, buddy. The microphone is okay. Seems okay. Yeah, it's perfect. Exactly. It's the microphone is perfect. Okay, so we have this, and what we're gonna do next is first we'll have to understand what all these new contributions, what is the thing which they are doing, and then we'll probably make so we have to change the logo to this. That's also a thing, bro. We'll have to download this logo. What is the logo? Let's see. This is the logo. The problem with this, can we use this? Yes, we can. Let's download this, and we have downloaded the file, and let's quickly kind of like place it in some folder, public, and let's call it icon, right? And then let's go to navbar and probably put, I don't know, something over here. So it's img src icon.png, right? And then what we're going to do is we're going to say logo, and then we're going to give the same width, which is 44, and same height, which is 44 pixels, and this should be great. And then we can just avoid the rocket icon, which should make it look a little bit better, I guess. Local. My server is not on. Let's do it first. Yes, now that's great. So that's how it is looking now. uh yeah, that's how it looks. That's how it looks now. That's the new stock, whatever, like that's the new logo. Looks great. So let's go and understand what is the new what are like the new contributions which are made. uh what are they for, right? So one of the contributions which I can see is refactor, remove analytics. I think he has removed analytics, which is good. So because I have also removed analytics, and there's an f score, right? F score thing which is added. So we're gonna also add the f score, right? So how we're gonna add it is we have a thing called stock card which shows all the cards. So here in the stock data now we'll be also receiving this new thing called f score. So how can I copy this? I don't know. I'll just probably do it. Okay. So what we'll do is we'll just probably copy one of these and paste this over. Not this one. Yeah. So we copied that one, and then what we can do is we can just, what is the name of this? This is f score. So f score, right? And then what is the value of this? The value of this is basically stock data dot f score, right? That's what it is. So we should have a new matrix now, which is f score. Let's upload the file again. Let's see what happens now. And what's up? How are you guys? And what are you guys building? By the way, this works on stream. It's really good. So we have f score. It says not available, and then we have f score for others, which is great. So we did one integration, which is f score integration. So I think, wait, hold on, where am I? So this one is done. So this f score added is kind of like covered. Let's see what else is there. And we have add privacy policy. Let's add the privacy policy. So we have agreement which has the privacy policy, which has all of these things. The problem is this is using Chakra UI. So Chakra UI doesn't make, like, that's not what we are using. So what we'll do is we'll go to this file, which is SLA file, which is agreement file, right? Which is like privacy policy and stuff like that. We'll go to this file. We'll probably use ChatGPT to convert it to normal, like Tailwind CSS styled thing. Dismiss. Can I go to this file sla.js? That's where is that? sla.js. Where is sla.js? It's inside the components. So what we'll do is we'll go to code, src, components, and sla.js. We'll just probably copy. We'll copy all these, and what we'll do, we'll copy this and we'll say we'll go to chat GPT and we'll ask this, like, just convert remove all Chakra UI thing and use Tailwind for CSS. I don't know. Yeah, it will do its thing. Doing it manually is just not smart, right? So it is doing its thing, and I guess this will do a good job. Let's see what AI does for us. Come on, can you be a little faster, ChatGPT? Can you guys hear me, by the way? Like, am I audible? Am I clearly, like, yeah, live streaming? How many people are watching? 5 people. Hey, all of you 5 people, what's up? Right? So yeah, we have this code ready. Now what we're gonna do is we're gonna copy this, and we have like this agreement thing. So what we'll do is we'll just paste this over here. And I don't know why ChatGPT did this to me, which is class equal to. We'll select all of this and we'll call it class name equal to, and then just this, which is kind of fine. I don't know about these brackets though, but should be fine. Yeah, let's see. Let's go to the agreement and let's see what we get. We get this, which is good, but not the best. So what we're gonna use one more AI service now, which is V0, and this is incredible for all of you guys who are watching. V0 is my favorite. You know, after this, all of you guys will go to V0. I'm telling you, like, you'll see this and you'll go to V0. You'll see, you'll tell like what an amazing thing this is. What I'll do is I'll simply paste this and say make this make this UI look super good, clean, and amazing. I don't know, whatever. Like I just use 3-4 words, and now this will go and create that UI. It will write the code for me. AI is amazing, guys. You know, a lot of you talk like AI will take our job. AI will make your job easier if you're good at it. Literally, you know. See, AI can do like basic writing and all, but AI, I think currently at its current stage, AI is not very good when you increase the scale of the project, right? Eventually it will be, maybe. Ah, that's insane. Okay. So now you can do this. It's still preparing the code, but this has created like a thing so that you can jump to various sections. This is insane. See, this code has been written by AI for me, and I just have to copy paste this. What more do you expect, right? So let's wait till it's over. Yeah, I think this is pretty much done. So what we will do, hippity hoppity, this code is now my property. Oh, that's done. So I can go and I can just do all those kind of thing, and I can, oh, that's insane. I'll just copy this. Wait, why are you using Lucid Icon is good, but you cannot use this. Okay, don't use Shardsian components. Okay, don't use Shardsian components. Okay, so we'll say this. Let's see what this does now. Someday, someday in the future, this will be instantaneous. Like, as soon as I press, the result is ready. That day it would be amazing. Oh, it's doing its thing now. That's cool. Whoa, this is amazing. See, all this effort. Is it still writing the code? Yeah, it's still writing the code. Let's wait till it's done. Right. Let's see what all other contributions has been made so that we can even cover them. So other than this, in the main, what I can see is privacy policy and then logs. Then what is logs? Client ID and redirect URI. But shouldn't this be handled in the backend? Like, that's just like that's what I'm thinking. Yeah, just curious. We'll see how we can tackle this, but like let's add Google based login. So this is the Google based login. So what he did is he added this GA4 Google Analytics. That's not enough, like that's not related to Google login, but there's this thing called React OAuth Google. I'm pretty sure this is not official, but this Google provider that kind of like you can wrap your app inside this provider, and you just have to give your client ID and redirect URI. But how? Wait, but to create that, is it even like is it this, like, then what about client secret? Like, how's that handled? It's a little weird. I think we should use something like Clerk instead of handling the authentication ourselves. Making authentication is hard, guys. Trust me. Like, making a good authentication system, it's tough. Okay. So this is some callback shit, and then we have OAuth token. But hold on. Oh, it does. Okay, so it does go to the backend and gets the OAuth token. But come on, guys, you're getting the OAuth code directly from the backend and showing it to the user. Is that good? I mean, anybody could copy this, and that's not good. That's what I feel, at least. Like that's not a good approach. Like, this is wrong, right? So because see, for example, like let's say this app has the access to Google Drive, for example, right? This app has the access to Google Drive. Now you have the token. So on behalf of this app, you can access whatever whatever user data you would wish to have, right? So which is wrong, right? It shouldn't be the case. So this is bad. So I'll just comment. Can I comment on this? I don't know. Can I? Yes, I can. Okay. I think we should store the token in the backend as it's very unsafe to log the token out on the front end, as but hold on, this token will be logged out, like you are the user, so your token will be logged out. So it's kind of like, okay, it's not that bad, because again, you are not going to use your token. But what if we want to access again? Then it creates an issue, right? So that's an issue. Probably this is fine. I'll probably like delete this, whatever. Like, how can I discard this? I don't know. Can I cancel this? Okay, whatever. So but yeah, this could have been better. So I think I guess the privacy policy is ready now, so I can just go copy this, paste this, and I'm good to go. Let's see what has the AI made for us. So but what we'll do is we'll go over here and we'll go like this, and it's just angry at us. Why it is angry at us? It's expected something ID. What type annotation can be used in TypeScript files. What the hell? So these are the sections and this is the state, but why are we doing this? Active section is use state less than string. How does this even make sense? You don't need to do that, bro. Like, you can simply set it to null. That's kind of fine. This is... Oh, this is a JavaScript file. Yeah, makes sense. Okay. This is not a TypeScript thing. Okay. And then that should be fine. These double quotes, I know, like, they just complain about that, but other than this, everything should be fine. See, we have a privacy policy page without even giving any kind of like special effort to this, which is great. Okay, so great stuff. Now what we'll do is we'll just fix this problem, which is chopping off from the top. Also, I think so we'll say padding top maybe 28 or something, and also px4 will just take that out from here, and mx auto is kind of fine. py that's kind of okay. Okay, that looks great. So that's the privacy policy. Anybody can go and read that. That's kind of good. Okay, so let's push this. I think so what's this? So we'll have to basically, so can we fix all of these problems? Like quick fix, yes, we have to do that, but I want to do that for practically the entire file. How to do it for the entire file? For the entire file, yeah, that fixes the problem. Great. So now let's quickly commit this so that we can push this. So what we'll do is we'll just create a new terminal. We'll say git add git commit, added the privacy policy page, right? And we have created the privacy policy page. I pushed it, so we have the new privacy policy page. So that's kind of like good. Oh, that's good. So okay, so great. So then next thing what we need to do is we need to put a link over here so that when you click on this, you go to the home page. How can we do that? We can go over here and we can just take this entire thing, which is this, and put it inside a link, right? And like that. Sorry. Oh, yeah. So 2, and then we can give like this homepage thing, which will take the user to homepage. So if I click this, the user is on homepage. That's great. I'm still confused. How many of you are still watching? Are you guys watching? Yes, 3 of you. You know, say something in the comment section and say like, at least give me a hint. There is people watching out there. Okay, so we have done that. The next thing is, let's see what all other things which are contributors. Okay, so there's a privacy policy, there's log, there's Google Analytics for, so bro removed analytics, that's kind of fine. Then Google based login. Why Google based login? That's what I want to understand. Like, what does this even do? So we have the auth callback, whatever, and then that callback happens, and then you have all these things. Explain about this project, Jaya Krishna. Hey buddy. So what this does is, this is like a site where you can upload your stock data. So you can take your mutual fund reports, kind of like export it from wherever you invest, and you upload it over here. So for example, this is like a sample project, like sample report which I've uploaded. If you upload it, there's a Golang backend, so it communicates with that backend, and you see these ratings, right? So this rating basically tells you based on various factors, like, you know, stocks have P ratios and how good the profit of the company is, and various other things. You can go in the backend and specifically see how does this rating is generated, and this lets you kind of like make a good decision about the stocks, and you can pick this from here as well. So yeah, that's what it is. That's what this project is all about. Okay, so what's next? Where were we? So we have to remove these, I guess. Sort by is kind of cool, but grid view and reset filter is also good. Grid view is also good. Grid view, let's remove grid view. I don't think so we need grid view. So what we'll do is we have to go to home page, and we have these things, and this is the search button, and then there should be like, this is the drop down, and this is the grid view, which we don't need. I don't think, like, this is good. So how do we sort it based on these? The problem in sorting is that there's commas and there's this price, whatever this thing is. So we'll have to take care of that. So let's create a utility that kind of like helps us to convert any kind of like this kind of thing to a number. Let's see. So what we'll do is we'll just create a new file, and we'll call it utils. Like, I mean, we'll create a new folder and we'll call it utils, and then we'll create a new file, call it common.ts, not ts, I mean js, because it's a JavaScript project. And then what we're going to do is we're going to export a function, and we'll call it to number. That's a bad name, but yeah, whatever. So to number, and then what we're going to do is we're going to take a string as an input. This is JavaScript, not TypeScript, but we can do like JS doc wala typing. So we can go over here and we can say, okay, this is basically a string, right? The str is a string, and we can write like converts anything like 1 2 3 comma, or I don't know, extracts numbers from string. That's what it does, right? And then what we'll do is we'll just we'll go and say like the numbers, right? And then yes, that's what we want to do. So we have all the numbers, and then we join them, and then we have to parse them as well. So number dot, I don't know, parsent, Percent is a good number. We should do parse float as well, but yeah, there you go. So that's what we are doing. So if there's number in the string, that's a regex, and what regex is doing is it's picking out all the numbers, and then what we do is basically we convert that to a number and then we send it. Like, so if you give any input like this, it will convert it to 1247216 as a number, right? So now what we can do is we can sort this out. So this would work now, but we'll have to pass all of these values over here, right? All of these values to number basically. So to number, and then we'll have to do this. Same goes over here. To number and this, and then quantity to number, I don't care. So to number, if this doesn't work, we'll see. So to number, right? So this will convert it to a number, and then the like subtraction could happen. Stock rate, yes, we would. Oh, so then the problem is that parse int wouldn't work. It should be parse float, right? That's better, right? And then what we're going to do is whatever it is, we'll just do toString, so that even if we pass by mistake a number, that works like without any issues. Okay, so we'll have to do the same thing over here as well. To number, that's probably not a very good code quality, but let's take whatever is available. Okay, so we just uploaded it, and now we'll try to sort it, but I'm not sure will it work or not. Let's sort it by rating. So by rating it works in like ascending order, I guess, because the lowest rating is at beginning, and like, you know, wait, but 7, what is this? Quantity also works. So where's the quantity? But quantity is this. So he's like something like 12 and then 16 and then a little bit more quantity. Yes, this seems to be working. And then you percentage of AUM, so you can do a sorting by percentage of AUM, and then you can click reset. So reset filter, that shouldn't be reset filter, that should be just reset. That would be better, I guess. So what would I do is I would so whenever you click reset, where is reset? This one. So if you click on this, hold on, let me check something. Hold on, I have to check something. Yep, okay, all good. So in this on click, what we'll do is we'll just, yeah, we'll do that. But hold on, what is the value for which? So I think Shivam has by the way, Shivam has messaged, like I think he has added some comment to the PR, and he's like, he has since this is a fork, I can't fix them either. Can't merge them because the conflict senses this is a fix. Oh, that makes sense. Code reply. As this as this is a complete implementation, as this is a complete implementation, it would not be possible to merge. You will have to pull this branch, then push it by force to main. Something like git push hyphen u origin from like my branch to till what is the link? So first he will have to basically clone my branch from my repo, add his as an origin, and then force push from there. That's the only option. So where's the repository? I don't know. Git is weird, bro. Sometimes Git is super weird. So let's tell him that how can you do it. Here is how you can do it. First thing, clone, add my repo somewhere. This is the link. Second, add your repo as another origin, right? So how would you do that? That would be like git origin git remote as another remote, not right. So git remote add j origin, and then this no right. So here's origin, right? So this repo link, I don't know, that's how it should be, yeah. And then so once he add that, then you can push it to your to this repo by doing git push hyphen u hyphen f origin origin git push hyphen u hyphen app Shivam origin. That's some crazy git shit, like, you know, git push hyphen u hyphen Shivam's origin, my branch. What was the name of my branch in which I was contributing? Rebuild fix, that's the name. It's sorry, yeah, that should be the solution. As this is a complete reimplementation, it would not be possible to merge. You'll have to pull this branch, then push it to main, to push it by force to main. Here's how you can do it. Clone the repository somewhere, you can clone it, then add your repo as another remote. So you can add it like git remote add Shivam origin this repo link, whatever. Yeah, that makes sense. And then you can push it to this repo by doing git push hyphen u hyphen f Shivam origin to main. Yeah, that would work. That should work. So, and one more thing, like yes, I hope so. I hope so this will work. Or let's write one more thing. Let's forget it. Like I think he'll reply over here. So yeah, that's it. Let's move ahead. Oh, there's two people still watching. What's up? Okay, so this is how you see communication is a very big part of your Git, whatever, like of your open source contribution. So if you cannot communicate with the repo owner, then it would be like then it would be hard for you to uh, basically contribute. So like always explain what you're doing. So it's very necessary that when you contribute, you write what all features are there and what's lacking and what all dangers are there if there's like if there is any, and then always add screenshots. Like that helps a lot. Screenshots or like a demo video, that kind of thing, of what you have fixed and what you have worked on. That helps you a lot. And yeah, that's what it is. So we did the privacy policy thing. I think the next thing what we did the filter thing, right? So let's quickly add that as well. So let's kind of like do filter added. Okay, so that's pretty much done. The next thing what I want to do in this is pretty much work on the Google thing. Let's see what basically was the use of Google here, because I actually didn't get it. Like what was the use of Google in this? So what we'll do is we'll go to the commit history and we'll check why was the Google Analytics even used. I mean Google sign in, Google based login even used. So okay. So what are we doing over here? So we just get Google Auth and we do all this kind of thing. And then what do we do with the Google? So we get stock details and then we do all these thing kind of thing. But what do we fetch Gmail? Okay, that's interesting. So we pass the access token, and this access in this access token basically we give read-only access to Gmail, and we take the response. But wait, what does fetch Gmail, what does this even do? So should I call him? I don't know. Maybe. Forget it. So I think that's what it is done over here. We fetch the Gmail, then does it send the report to Gmail or that kind of stuff? Is it like how it is? Let's call him. Let's see what happens. Let's call on the number. I have his Instagram. I don't have his number. So what we'll do, I even have his number, but I don't remember what is the name with which I saved. So what we'll do is we'll just go on our own site, which is localhost 5174, and then we'll go to agreement, and then we have a contact us over here. Let's kind of see can we find his contact number. It's here, 776. Okay, so got it. I think it fetches all the emails and try to extract few things, extract stock stuff from that, and then kind of like creates a report. That's how it is working. Although as it is not storing any data, so messed up, but whatever. Like let's continue on this. Should we do it now or like Google wala, you know what I'll do is I'll explain kaise, like how will you do it, and you guys, any one of you guys could try to do it. I'll not do it right away because I have to go for that Durga Puja thing, to my society celebration thing. So I'll explain you how to do it in Excalibur. Where is Excalibur? And then one of you guys could try to do it. Okay, then okay. So how does this work is, so in the app, oh, even you don't have to even think about that. What you can do is you can go and there is this Google based login. You just have to re-implement it in my thing. So you will not create a PR over here. Where you will create a PR, you will create it on my branch, so on my profile. So I'll give you the link. You'll build it. You'll build a PR from whatever branch you create to this branch, which is Rebuild UI. Don't create it to main, okay? Create it to this branch, which is Rebuild UI. Anyone of you whoever is trying to do it. Okay. So what I'll do is I'll just send the link over here. I don't know. Can I paste? I cannot paste. That's sad. I cannot paste. Oh, now I can paste. That's great. So I have the link over there, and yeah, you guys could do it. So thank you guys for watching. I'll probably will wrap up this video now because I have to go to that celebration thing. But yeah, this was the project. You guys could contribute. We did a contribution. We just created the agreement thing right now, right? We just did like this. We did the filter thing together. I guess that was cool. So yeah, this is, and we might probably do another stream today. I don't know. I'm not sure. So we did this one. We did the reset one. So thank you guys. Thank you everyone. Bye bye. Have a great day and